Bethu umqeqeshi la uDelisile Mbatha nguShando ngumthiya bathi ngusontshikazi awusengikubizile sesingikubizile Nkosazana a beautiful tournament ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzovuma abadlali benu they played until the final awusithathe from the beginning up to namhlanje I tournament ibinjani
Imnandi kakhulu I-tournament sibonge kakhulu kuma sponsors sibonge futhi nakuyona iOrlando Pirates ngale tournament enhle kakhulu where we see our players coming out and showcase their talent. It was a great one. It was a great outing for UJ as well. We got to a final. Unfortunately, we lost to Mamelodi Sundowns 1-0. But we're looking forward again to the next season. We're gonna go back home and prepare and fix our mistakes and come back even stronger.
Ngibona abanye babadlali they are still at school a high school not ku tertiary institution. It looks like a foundation enimnandi by the time play alifika seliyazi ukuthi UJ kufunekani.
Good, yeah, it's a plan UJ vele ngoba phela ku UJ into ebaluleke kakhulu education. We teach players to balance education with football and be flexible, especially when in terms of if you have to choose between the two. Definitely we recommend the players to choose education because football will always be there. And then ukuthola ama players amancane talent identification process esiyenza UJ ukuthi sibakhuluma bese sebancane by the time beqeda isikolo coming to university they are ready and then they know how we play and then we can try and fix some combinations at the back ku midfield nokuthi futhi sikhombana kanjani nama forwards ethu.
Ngibona noLuthando Mavundla ngangambonanga ku varsity football because of ama marks okusho ukuthi ngempela ibalekile indaba yokubalance.
Yeah, we are very happy ukuthola uLuthando Mavundla coming back because the previous year bengenzanga kahle esikolweni so some abantu badiba deserve a second opportunity and this time around naye ufundile ukuthi kumele prioritize ama studies akhe and then this year she's very well. She's ungathini uphakamisile amasokisi especially kuma academics akhe and then kuhle futhi nokumbona edlala ama games amaningi ethola game time kusho khona ukuthi uyas prepare naye the whole team is preparing for Varsity Cup that is coming later this year in September.
Last one, which players do you think we should look forward to come Varsity football? Yes, bamnandi bonke but surely you do have the new faces.
Yeah, we do have new faces. Abona nje aboGugu, we've got uGugu, we've Gugu Dlamini, we've got uPortia Masilela who has been a rock in the midfield and she's trying by all the means ukuthi mangabe sithola amabhola asize I-team in attack and as well as in defense. Sitholile noManana naye goalkeeper so because most of the time there's no goalkeeper one but at least namhlanje sesiyakhona ukuthi siphefumule kancane ukuthi at least kune second goalkeeper emapalini.
Sontshikazi siyabonga kakhulu hard luck ukuthi nilahlekelwe la kodwa enikwenzayo niphumelele kakhulu ngoba abadlali enibakhiqizayo basezingeni eliphezulu siyabonga kakhulu sinifisela okuhle ibonane ku Varsity.
Akasibonga kakhulu UJ football. We looking forward nathi ukuthi ku Varsity senze kangcono this year because last year siphume kuma semi finals.
Siyabonga kakhulu sisi.